I think for me the biggest highlight was just the wealth of strategies shared. And these were not just strategies pulled off the internet, these were things that we had tried and tested in our context.
And the thing that was wonderful to see was have them take the strategies back into their classrooms, apply them, and then come back to us and share what worked, what didn't work.
I think majorly, like if I had to talk about math, there were two major elements that stood out for me and maybe for the participants as well. One was using models for math, and the other bit was a tech tool called Zone.
One specific strategy for behaviors that we shared with our participants was, gathering a lot of data, so observing the child using a notice wonder format, then identifying the why behind the behavior, and then identifying how to put structures in place for support.
All of us were talking the same language about math. We were all talking about the same conceptual understanding of math, so it just helped a lot in that sense.
I think the best part for me was that when I talked to people who had attended the course last year, they're still using the strategies. I mean, what better testament to learning could there be?